Hello, this is Mitchell's Cooking, and today we've got gonna make a beef stew today with some beef, potatoes, onions, daikons, and Brussels sprouts, and some turnips. We're gonna be cooking it for about 2 hours until it is done. What we got here is some sweet white rose potatoes. I'm just gonna throw them in at the bottom for all the meat to go on top of. Next I'm going to throw in this beef. It goes right on the top of the potatoes. I'm going to throw in some more beef. It's going to be a beef stew. Then we're going to put some daikons and Brussels sprouts in there on top. Now it'll take a little while for those to simmer in the beef broth, but when they do, it'll go down and we'll add some more onions to it. I'm now adding the beef broth into there now. Now I got the soup started, and it's going to take about 2 hours for everything to be cooked and down all the way, and it will be good, and I will show you when it's done. I'm here with my pet cat here, and just kind of mixing up this stew with Brussels sprouts and potatoes. It's a lot of beef, but it's going to cook for a long time, so hopefully everything will get down and we'll have everything added into there at the end. So the soup has been cooking for about 2 hours, and everything's just kind of gotten soft and well done, and I think it's going to turn out good. So it's pretty much done and ready to be eaten. I'll try some here as soon as it cools down. I'm just here with my cat and stuff. Just gonna try it out right here.